para sa continuation ng lecture natin para sa surveying, errors to measurement of horizontal and vertical distances. Yung next topic natin is about most probable value. Yung term na to na-discuss na last topic. So, define natin yung most probable value. Sabi dito, yan daw yung most probable value of a group of repeated measurements made under similar conditions is the arithmetic mean. So, kung may algebra kayo, na-discuss na yun, ang arithmetic mean is yung average lang. Pwede natin sabihin average arithmetic mean or the average. Or mean, most probable value. And notation dito is yung x bar. Equal yan sa summation ng x over n. Which yung summation ng x, yung sum ng individual measurements, then yung n, yung total number of observation para makapag-measure tayo doon. Meron pa tayong isang case para sa most probable value. In the case of related measurements, taken under identical conditions where the sum should equal a mathematically exact quantity, the most probable values are the observed values corrected by an equal part of the total error. So may sample problems naman tayo dito ang accompanying para mas malalo nating maintindihan yung paano kunin yung most probable value ng series of observations or measurement. So para sa sample problem natin para makuha yung most probable value, sample problem number 1, a surveying instructor sent out 6 groups of students to measure distance between 2 points marked on the ground. Students came up with the following 6 different values: 249.35, 248.9, 250.03, 249.97, 248.95, and 250 meters. Assuming these values are equally reliable and that variations result from accidental errors, so sabi natin kanina, accidental errors are almost negligible. Or meron pa rin siya, pero maliit na dahil nga dun sa pwedeng positive or negative value by chance or accidental error. Determine the most probable value of the distance measured. So, ang sabi natin yung most probable value, series of observation na pwedeng i-consider natin na equal yung value ng bawat isa. Bawat isang measurement. So, pwede nating sabihin na yung x bar or yung most probable value, x bar natin. So, most probable value or yung x bar is equal to the summation of the individual measurements over total number of measurement. So, note natin yung mga measurements na ginawa. So, 249.35. Second is 248.90 x3, 250.03 x4, 249.97 x5, 248.95, and then yung last 250 meters. And then the number of observations is 6. So therefore, x bar sa summation, 249.35 to 248.90 plus 250.03 plus ito natin plus 249.97 plus 248.95 plus 250 all over. Number of observations is 6. So, simple lang, no? Most probable value. So, sa surveying, ang computation natin dito Basic lang, basic math. Hindi ka magka-DDE dito. Hopefully. So input lang natin 249.35 plus 248.9 plus 250.03 plus 249.97 plus 248.95 plus 250 divided by 6. So check natin. So nakalagay dyan 3743 over 15 or 249.53. Significant figures natin. So 5. So 5 rin tayo. So 249.53 meters. So yun yung most probable value natin para dun sa problem. So simple lang. So para sa next sample problem, number 2. So the angles about a point Q have the following observed values: 130 degrees, 15 minutes and 20 seconds, 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 30 seconds, and 87 degrees, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Determine the most probable value of each angle. So the point Q, meron daw tayong angle measure. Pwedeng connecting 3 points yun. Yan natin. Natin dito ang point Q. Connecting 3 points. 130. So mga ganito. And then 147 and 87 yung isa. So yan. Mga ganyan. 180 itong isa. So 130. Mga ganun. Tapos 87. Mga ganito. Approximately. And then dito yung point Q. And then ito yung angles. Natin ang kulay green. Yan yung angle natin 130 degrees, 15 minutes and 20 seconds. 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 30 seconds. And then yung last, 87 degrees, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. So required value natin ay yung most probable value of each angle. So adjusted. So denote muna natin yung given na angle 1 is yung 130 degrees, 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Angle 2, 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 30 seconds. Angle 3, 87 degrees, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. So required ay yung most probable value nila. So denote natin yan as primes dahil i-adjust natin yung mga observed measurement. So denote na natin as prime. So required natin dahil maka-close dapat siya, no? So full rotation. Dapat natin mula dito pabalik sa kanya, or yung total angle nito dapat ng adjusted should be equal to 360 degrees. So i-compare natin dun sa summation ng observation. Sa summation ng observation, so check natin. Calcu. So 130 degrees, 15 minutes, and 20 seconds. So store na lang natin to sa A. then 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 30 seconds. Store natin sa B, 87 degrees, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Store natin sa C. And then kunin natin yung summation. So A plus B plus C. So summation natin ay 360 degrees, 0 minutes and 30 seconds. So kunin natin yung discrepancy. So palit tayo ng kulay. So discrepancy equal yan sa dapat na value sa 360 degrees minus 360 degrees dun sa observe, 0 minutes and 30 seconds. So discrepancy natin sa dalawang measurement is negative 30 seconds. So yung notation natin na negative, ibig sabihin yan, isosubtract natin. I-distribute natin dun sa mga observed value, i-distribute natin negative 30 degrees, dun at 30 minutes dun sa observed value. So para dun sa correction. So dahil tatlo yung angle natin, so 30 seconds divided by 3, so equal sa negative 10 seconds. So para dun sa correction, 1 plus or minus yung correction, 2 prime, 2 plus or minus yung correction, 3, at yung general equation natin pag mag-a-adjust tayo ng angle para makuha yung most probable value nila. Okay. So angle 1 is 130 degrees, 15 minutes and 20 seconds. So sabi natin negative 10. So yung positive negative na yan. So negative 10 seconds. Angle 2 is 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 30 seconds. Minus 10 seconds. Let 87 degrees, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Minus 10 seconds. So therefore, kahit wag na natin i-calculate, makukuha na natin itong sagot nito. So therefore, bright tayong kulay. 1 prime is equal to 130 degrees, 15 minutes and 10 seconds. A most probable value for the second angle, 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 20 seconds. Third one, 87 degrees, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So check natin summation. Summation natin ng total angle ng adjusted values. So labas natin si CalQ. So 130 degrees, 15 minutes and 10 seconds plus 142 degrees, 37 minutes and 20 seconds plus 87 degrees, 37 minutes and 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So, okay na. Total interior angle natin is 360 degrees. So yun na yung second sample problem natin para makuha yung most probable value. Thank you at meron pa tayong mga susunod pang problems.